Hi guys, welcome to Tink TV. I'm finally doing my first makeup tutorial, beginner brows. We're just going to jump right into things. Right here, this part is optional. This is the Maybelline Pore Eraser, and I just use this to make the application a little bit smoother. I'll have all my products listed down below at the end of the video in the comment section. Okay, the first thing that I do is I use a spoolie to brush my hairs and the direction that they grow. And let me say this, my hair is going to get on your nerves throughout the video because it definitely got on mine. We learn as we go. Next time I'll make sure that I pin it back. Okay, now right here we're just going to use this eyeliner pencil to outline our brow, and you just want to make light strokes. Just take your time. Okay, just check your work. And then now we're going to go to the upper part of the brow. Now I don't start at the very end, I just go back just a little bit because I want it to look as natural as possible. Okay, now I'm going to fill in my brow. I use light strokes at the front of it. Now here I'm just going to make hair-like strokes at the beginning of the brow. I'm checking my work. If you guys are doing this along with me, just make sure you check your work from time to time. And if you don't feel like you don't like the look, just try it until you feel like you have it. We all had to start somewhere. You'll get it. I'm still learning as well. Okay, now we're going to take the spoolie and we're going to just brush the product through. You don't want it to look so heavy, you just want it to look as light and natural as possible, so I just brush it through. You want to kind of have that grading effect at the beginning, that faded look, just like your natural hairs grow. There's that hair again. Okay, there we go. I try to really take my time on the brow because that's what the people see when they first see you. I think the brows are so important in framing the face. Okay, I'm liking that. Just getting ready for the next step. Okay, right here I am using LIKE-XOXO Pro Concealer and the color Fawn, and that is on a e.l.f. eyeliner brush. I got that from Walmart as well. I'm not sure exactly how much that was, but I'll have everything down in the comment section below. Now what you want to do here is just you want to use that product to outline your brow. That is your brow, and that's just going to clean it up. And that's what makes it really neat, the outlining it, for me anyway. Now I didn't go the color of my skin tone. I went a shade lighter, maybe a shade or two lighter, because you know how when you get your eyebrows done you have that light hair under there, that light skin, I'm sorry, under your brow. That's the effect that I'm going for, just a little bit lightening, and it makes the look really nice. Okay, now I'm just going to blend it out. I hope you guys are enjoying this so far. I hope I'm not going too fast for you or anything like that. I want to make this as beginner friendly and budget friendly as possible for the beginners. We're going to continue to blend out. And you see, I didn't go past my eye on the corner. I almost took my eye out, Jesus. Continue to blend out. Okay, you see how far I went over? I tried not to go beyond the corner of my eye with the tail. Okay, there you go. I'm constantly looking, see the difference between the two. And my camera is on autofocus, so I'm sorry it keeps zooming in and out. I do apologize for that. This is my first video, so I'm trying to get it right for the next one. Okay, now we're going on the top. Now this is still going to be the LA Girl Pro Concealer, but I changed the color because I wanted this color to be the color of my skin tone, so that blends in perfectly. And I think this color is Beautiful Bronze, if I'm not mistaken. And there you go. You see how that cleans up, make it really sharp looking and really nice. But we're going to blend it out. You see the difference between the two. Now I'm going to finish this brow, and then we're going to come back after I complete the other one off camera. I just want to do a quick beginner brow for you guys. Okay, see how we have it? The difference between the two brows. I'm just going to brush the product through. All right, there we go. Okay, now I'm back. Both brows are done, and I also put some lashes on too. Okay, remember that product I was using in the beginning of the video? This is the Maybelline Pore Eraser. I got that from Walmart, and it just helps make the application a little bit smoother for me. Here is that spoolie that I use to brush the brows through that product through my brows. And there is the Wet n Wild Sienna Brown Pencil, 98 cents I think at Walmart. It's not really a lot of products at all, and they're very affordable. This is the e.l.f. eyeliner brush. I got this from Walmart. I'm not sure exactly how much it was. I've had it for so long. This is the LA Girl Pro Concealer. I got this from my local beauty supply store. I'm not sure how much that was. I'll also put that down in the comment section below. I'm sorry. Upside down, you guys can't see it, so let me turn that around. So there you have it. That's the color Fawn, and I use that on the bottom of my brow. And this is the color that I use on top of my brow. That was Beautiful Bronze. This is the e.l.f. brow gel. I got it from Walmart as well. So there you have it. I hope you guys like it. Thank you so much for tuning in. I hope you did a great job as well. You can always just start this video over and go again with me and get it until you get it right if you feel that you didn't get it right. So please like, comment, and subscribe. And if you guys like for me to do a eyelash tutorial, how I put my lashes on, please feel free to comment that down below, or skincare routine or whatever. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye bye.